This quick video will assist you as you finish wrapping up the assessment cycle. The deadline for entering actions and plan for continuous improvement elements is generally September 1st, unless your division has an earlier deadline. On September 15th, the cycle will fully close. You should already have an action related to each KPI, target, and results item. Click on each action and input the description. If you do not already have a related action, create one from the Plan Item dropdown and relate it to the appropriate KPI, target, and results. You may have to navigate to your unit in the organization structure on the left. Actions should describe specific steps to be taken based on the results. Since actions should not have happened yet, these should be written in future tense. Ideally, actions should identify an area that needs to be monitored or improved, define logical next steps, identify a responsible person or group, and include completion dates. Types of actions could include, but are not limited to, modifying policies or procedures, collaborating with other units, adopting or expanding technologies, implementing new programs or services. If a plan item will not be assessed in the future, use this space to provide an explanation of why it will no longer be assessed or included in the plan. The Plan for Continuous Improvement elements, or PCI elements, are located at the end of the list of plan items. First, fill out the update. The box at the top of the screen contains the previous cycle's PCI. Do not modify this. Fill out the update box below with a narrative describing the progress in completing the previous cycle's plan for continuous improvement. Be sure to include details such as who, what, when, where, and why for each item discussed in the previous cycle's PCI. Clarify whether each item was completed or not and to what extent. The final step is to fill out the plan for continuous improvement. This is the narrative summarizing all actions to be implemented into one coherent plan. Try to organize this section in a way that clearly outlines identified actions within the current plan, then new initiatives or other items to be assessed in the next cycle. When possible, provide detailed information such as who, what, when, where, and why for each action, as well as contextual information on why any new initiatives were selected and how they might improve the unit. Ideally, the content in the PCI will be used to update your assessment plan for the next cycle. Thank you for taking the time to ensure your unit has a quality assessment plan. If you have questions or need assistance with Anthology or with the assessment plan itself, check out our resource page or email our team at assessment@shsu.edu. We're happy to help.